shout out the real official Mac. I think is so his YouTube is official Mac, but on Instagram the real official Mac. So shout out to official Mac on YouTube, you know, for his videos is the reason why I found out about All American Cycle. So without him, I guess this wouldn't be possible. And then shout out to George, Allen, the whole crew down at All American Cycles for all you guys did to help me buy the cam. So I was planning to go down there for Daytona, but I wasn't able to make it. So I reached out. I was like, hey, can I just order the parts to install the cam myself? And they said sure. So that's what we did. We worked out an invoice and sent me everything I needed. I ended up going with Tab Performance Redline, their 2-into-1 exhaust. So shout out to Casey from Tab Performance for working with me on the exhaust system. Love the way it sounds. I like it because definitely it's going to increase your numbers, but it's not so loud at all times. It's loud when you need it to be. So if I'm somewhere I don't want to be making a lot of noise, it's perfect. When I want to make a lot of noise, it provides that also.